Hello everyone, this is Dolly from JD Live. Today I will make a makeup tutorial video where I will show how Koreans do their makeup on a date. Me too, if I go out with my husband or I meet some friends, I usually do this makeup. So this is a natural but glittery, glowy makeup that is usual to see in Korea, I think. Now I don't wear anything yet. As you can see, I already prepped my skin, I cleansed it with exfoliator, and I did my dewy skincare routine. The makeup base that I was using this time is INNISFREE mineral makeup base. It already has some sun protection, but I applied on some tone up sun cream also, and that's all I have on my skin right now. I usually use this foundation from Shiseido. This one is Advanced Hydro Liquid Compact. So this is a compact foundation. You can see because it's a hydro compact, it already has some shine. Of course, my skincare routine was also going to the dewy finish. Because it's a dewy makeup and not a matte one, my skin is a little bit slippery still, so obviously my eyebrow is also kind of creamy now. It's really hard to apply on the eyebrow pencil, so first I will apply on a powder. I usually use Shiseido baby powder. I bought it in Japan and I really like to use it. I don't use it on my face nowadays because nowadays I'm going to the more dewy makeups, so I usually just use it under my eyes and on my eyebrows. What's the brand name? Maybe Peripera, I'm not sure. Anyways, it's still okay. It's not the best eyebrow pencil I have ever used, but today it's fine. So this one has a brush, and here you can find a pencil. It will finish soon, finally, so I will buy a better one than this. Okay, so I want to make it more soft and want it to be more long lasting, so I use the powder one more time. Okay, so my eyebrows are kind of done. It's not perfect or anything, but it's fine. If I go out somewhere, I definitely put on some foundation or at least a BB cream, and I definitely draw my eyebrows. So I prep my skin. This is kind of the basic makeup, and now I will apply on the concealer and the blush. I use concealer from Laneige. I will use a puff now, so the concealer will look more even and a bit more natural. So the next one is the blush. Actually, I made this blush. I had some powdery blush, but I don't like to use powder on my skin when I do this Korean dewy makeup. It's not that strong when you apply it on, and it's really creamy, so this is okay for a dewy Korean makeup. I just use my fingers this time. Okay, so now let's go to the contouring and the highlighter. I love highlighting my skin. I love highlighting the bones. I brought the Etude House Play 101 stick. I don't like to use this product, but this one is really famous and it's really compact, so that's why I will use this one today. But usually I use different highlighter and different contouring product. Anyway, you can see that the highlighter is over here and the contouring is over here. This is the lightest shade. It's not so straight, okay. I will use this palette. I got it from a friend and I really like this palette. Kate Tokyo Brown Shade Eyes, this one, and it has lovely colors and it's glittery and it has a bronzer also. If you do a Korean makeup, glittery eyeshadow is the best. Don't choose matte eyeshadow because they will not look good with the glowy foundation, so I will also choose a glittery one, the lightest color first. And under the eyes also with this light color. I just realized I don't have mirror, only this Shiseido foundation, but it's okay. And now above my eyes I will use a dark color. In Europe, people put light colors over here and the darker color over here, but Koreans do it in an opposite way. It's light outside the outward. I have no idea how to say it in English, I'm sorry for that. And you use a dark color over here. You apply on the darker shade over here. And this one is definitely from Peripera. Kitten beige, maybe? Yeah, kitten beige color. And I will use just a really small amount. It's a super glittery and I will use it only on the middle part. And now some more glitter. This one is from Misha Glitter Beam Liner. And this one is a more natural one, it's just white. And I will use this under my eyes. So now I will use an eyeliner, black eyeliner for my eyes. It's from the brand PUPA, triple purpose eye pencil. And I will use a brush, so I will make it more smooth. So it's done, and now I will use an eyeliner. It's from the Face Shop Improve Brush Pen Liner. In Korea this is called puppy eyes, if it's going a little bit down, but I like it. I use mascara from PUPA, Milano. It's mascara lamp. Usually I use Japanese mascara. They are also really nice, but this one is also in my top 3. The brush. Only the lips left, and I will make the Korean gradient lips. The base will be Chanel Rouge Coco Gloss, and the color name is Caramel. It doesn't have any glitter in it. Next time I will definitely buy a gloss with glitters in it. They are so gorgeous. I love this product. I don't have super sexy lips either. I don't have long lashes and I don't have super sexy lips. I don't know. It's medium size. It's not really thin, but it's not that chubby either. I would love to have bigger lips, but that's what I got. And I will apply on for the gradient lips, I will apply on a nude color, but it's a bit darker than the Chanel, and this one is from the brand Bia. This is really famous in Korea. I think people really like this product. I found a lot of review about this one. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.